After the rain, my brain shut down. I felt numb. I couldn't feel anything. My feelings, guilt, sadness, confusion, everything were locked down. And when I looked in the mirror, the face that looked back at me was very strange. But then, what could I do? I started cutting just to feel pain. But this pain was very different because I had control over it. Control, which I had not of my life. How ironic. And then the nightmare started. Vivid images, pictures of what I wanted so badly to forget. I wanted everything to stop. Suicide would have been an option. I just wanted to get rid of all the pictures, of all the images in my head. Or did he perhaps rape my head? This is the recount of an 11-year-old girl. And this is what happens to every 10,000 girl raped on a daily basis here in our country, Nigeria. Good afternoon, panel of judges, ladies and gentlemen, orators. Who am I and why am I here? My name is Abdulazeez Opeyemi from the Faculty of Law, and I'm here to speak on rape and sexual perversion. Who is to blame, the victims or the perpetrators? I don't even know why this is even a topic, maybe for knowledge basis or for knowledge purposes. But according to the 6th edition of the Black's Law Dictionary, rape is defined as the carnal knowledge of a female against her will. Ladies and gentlemen, against her will. Now, my explanation will be based on this point majorly: misinterpretation of friendly disposition. Now, I'll be giving 4 instances. We hear this phrase of, she was asking for it. Asking for what in particular? What was she asking for? I'm going to be painting 4 scenarios. The first one, a 12-year-old girl visiting an uncle and was taken advantage of. All because she wanted to bathe and go to bed. You will tell me she was asking for it. Asking for what? She's a child, for crying out loud. A child. There's no such thing as asking for it. Or the second scenario, after playing a football or a basketball, you went to your locker room to take a bath, came out with your towel, and perhaps one of your teammates happened to rape you. Will you mind me telling me that you were asking for it? Why did you come out in a towel? You were asking for it. Can you imagine? Or the second scenario, a friend, a lady who has a friend. They got to know each other for a year. Let's say a year. They share this bond, brotherhood, or friends, something. And the next thing, you invited her. And out of the friendship she has for you, she came. You investigated her, she got drunk, and you raped her. And you say she was asking for it. How did she ask for it? By becoming your friend? Is it a crime to be your friend, or is it a crime to be a friend to the opposite gender? We should be asking ourselves these questions. Another question, or another scenario perhaps. You all come out saying that, okay, we dress, we do this, ladies do that, we flirt up and down. She flirts with you. You decide to go on dates. And she said no, she doesn't want to have sex with you. Her no is her no. You don't go any further after the no. That is rape. So now I'm going to be saying this finally. If my friendly disposition is a crime, if my sense of fashion is a crime, my decision, my no should not be a crime. And anything that goes